Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Microsoft Teams is stuck in an endless refresh loop and throwing the max_reload_exceeded error, it means the application has repeatedly failed to load a page or component and stopped trying. I will show you exactly how to break this cycle and restore the interface right now. Let's get started. First, we need to delete the temporary web data that is likely causing the application to continuously crash and reload. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and press Enter to open your system settings. Locate Microsoft Teams in the list, click the three dots on the right, and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair, then click the Reset button to safely wipe the local cache. If you happen to be on the older classic version of Teams, this Windows menu will not work, and you will instead need to open your Run dialog to manually delete the contents inside the %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams folder. Next, because the modern Teams interface is built on web technologies, a corrupted rendering engine can easily trigger this exact reload loop. Go back to your Installed Apps menu, search for WebView2, and look for Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. Click the three dots next to it, select Modify, and when the setup prompt appears, click Repair. This will re-download and fix any broken framework files behind the scenes, though you must ensure your computer has an active internet connection for the installer to properly fetch the clean files from Microsoft. Finally, before trying to use the app again, you must verify that no broken instances of the software are still stuck trying to reload in the background. Right-click on your Windows taskbar, open the Task Manager, and navigate to the Processes tab. If you see any active entries named Microsoft Teams or Teams, right-click them and select End Task to completely kill the process tree. Once everything is fully shut down, relaunch the application from your Start menu and the endless reload cycle should be resolved. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.